Here we are going to use quadratic regression to find a function that models this data. So you're going to use your graphing calculator for this. And first thing is you want to enter the data. So after you turn your calculator on, you're going to select the stat button. And then you're going to it's at 1 where it says edit, you're going to press enter to edit. And you can see you have your two lists. So in the first list, I'm going to enter 0, 2, 4, 6. So I have 0 and then enter, and then 2, enter, 4, enter, and then 6, enter. So you can see my data for the X values are entered in list 1. And then I'm going to go over to list 2. And I'm going to enter in the same manner, negative 4.48. When you do negative, do not use this minus. Make sure you use the negative. So it's going to be negative 4.48, enter. And then I'm going to do 22.36, enter. And then I'm going to do 83.12, enter. And finally, 177.8, enter. Okay, so I've entered in all of my data. List 1 is the X value, or the X values, and then the corresponding Y values are in list 2. And now at this point, I'm going to hit the stat button again. And I'm going to move over to the calc column here. So I'm going to use this arrow and then press 5 to do quadratic regression. Number 5 is quadratic regression. So I'm going to press 5 and then enter. Oh wait, I'm going to go down to calculate now. And when calculate is highlighted, I'm going to press enter. And there we have our regression information. So we have the A, B, and C. So A is 4.24. B is 4.94. And C is negative 4.48. So that means that the function that models our data here, the quadratic function, the A value is 4.24. So it's 4.24x squared plus 4.94x and then minus 4.48. So there you have the quadratic function that models this data. Now, if we want to estimate a certain value, we want to find, let's say we want to estimate what its Y value is going to be for x equal 3. So if we evaluate it at f of 3, then we're just plugging 3 in for x, and it's 4.24 times 3 squared plus 4.94 times 3 minus 4.48. Okay, so I'm going to do that calculation. So 4.24 parentheses, 3 squared is 9, so I'm just multiplying by 9. Let me go back. I'm just going to do times 9. And then 4.9 plus 4.94 times 3. So we have plus 4.94 times 3. And then finally minus 4.48. And I get 48.5. So the f of 3 is 48.5.